if you see the whole world, all the problems of the world we know of falls into only three brackets. There is no problem you can conceive. Either it will be material or physical or emotional. Relationship. Emotional means relationship. Okay. Beyond this three, you tell me, is there any problem that we know of? Relationship problem can be between two individuals, between two states, between two districts, between two countries, between two species also. I don't care. But what is it, sir? I have either emotional problem or I have physical problem. Coronavirus. What is it, sir? Physical problem. I lost my job. Now you see, anywhere you have these three problems. To conceive of knowledge as a problem, how many have? Have you ever seen anybody has knowledge as a problem? Yeah, knowledge as a problem. Knowledge as a problem, you will think only the connected to material. It is actually material problem only. Sir, how am I to make my income double? Where should I invest? I don't know where to invest. You are seeking the knowledge. That knowledge is not what you are seeking. You are seeking the material through knowledge. Pure knowledge problem we never encounter in life. That's what maturity is all about. Vedanta starts from there and moves to the spiritual problem.